Hey, hello again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to take a moment and invite you to our spring open house this weekend. We have a great selection of boats in stock, 70 new, used pontoons and deck boats all here ready to go. A couple things that are exciting going on. We do have our Yamaha and Suzuki promotions running through the end of the month, so if you're looking to get those great deals, now is definitely the time. Also, our worry-free winter promo is coming to an end at the end of March, so if you're looking to lock in those savings on your fall services this year, that's a great option as well. We look forward to having you down. We'd love to show you any of our new used boats that we have available. We have some boats already on the water, so you can get down on the water, take a look at some of those. We have our rental program, which those are the boats that are on the water, so if you're looking for a great value that way, those are going to be available to you. We have a great selection of Pleasure Isle, Quest, Sun Chaser, and Starcraft boats in the showroom where it's nice and warm. You can take a look in here and be nice and comfortable. So if you're looking for a place to spend your weekend, we invite you down to come take a look at our boats. Our number is 419-368-5951. You can call or text us if you'd like some information, or you can check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We look forward to seeing you down here.